What's up guys, Max here, and welcome back to another quick and fast Premiere Pro tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to freeze frame footage inside of Premiere Pro. It's a really simple effect. It's for beginners. If you are an expert, I don't know why you're watching this video. You already know how to do this. But we're going to show people who don't know how to do this, It's really easy. So what you do is you have your footage in your timeline, no problem inside of Premiere Pro. We're hitting play, yada, 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 yada. We want it to freeze frame here when she kisses the guy so we can put text on screen, some movie title, whatever. What we'll do is at our playhead, right click the footage and go to add frame hold. What I like to do is copy the footage above it by holding Alt or Command and dragging it up and then dragging it back out. And this is where it will pause. Pause. No problem. Then from here, you just add text on screen. Movie. I'm just to make it really big. Bigger. We can do 750. Put it in the center. Grab this. Let's align it myself, and then add a slam effect, and boom, movie. And then it would continue on from there as a regular. And we want it to continue where it left off. So right here, movie title, continuing on, just like that. And that's it. That's how you do it. As always, guys, I'm Max. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you for being a part of the channel. If you are new to the channel, feel free to like and subscribe. Otherwise, you can scan the QR code to learn more. Peace.